number 21 in line. Three to go after this one. So, are you still with me? Yes? It's a lot of information, isn't it? But you can visit them afterwards and talk to them some more. So, EY3, Koen Penders.
Hello everybody. You may sometimes have those moments when you look back on something and think, if I knew that this was going to happen, then I would have done things completely differently. Because knowing something in advance can be the difference between keeping a client or losing that client. It could be the difference between investigating a fraud case or preventing that same fraud case. Or it could be the difference between winning or losing a deal. And you don't need a fortune teller to tell you the future, you need a data scientist. Because a data scientist can predict your customer's next moves such that you can do something. For every customer you have thousands of data points. You can learn from that behavior to predict behavior. So never look back again and regret, but know that you can predict, anticipate and act. Thank you.
Okay. So, you predict behavior by data. How do you prevent that an employee uses that data and says to this customer, oh, computer says no?
Well, there's always human interaction. So, what we do is we provide that employee with some additional information. Hey, this customer, there's a high chance that this customer will leave as a customer because you filed a complaint lately, or you acquired him a year ago by a comparison website with a big discount. And there's a probability that he will leave.
Okay, so it's an instrument to help, not as you have to do this what is being provided for by your data.
Well, we provide predictions with a certain certainty, and sometimes it's 99.9%, sometimes you can't be that sure because you don't have so much information. And we help banks and insurers to manage that data, to learn machine learning, predictive analytics, to master big data so they can do these predictions themselves. So we help customers do it. We're not a software platform. We really help our customers master those technologies by themselves to be able to do that.
Thank you. Thank you. Number 22.